Prana, pranasya means of prana, idam here in existence. The control of prana is over everything. So it's Pranasyedam Vashe Sarvam. Vash is control. So Pranasyedam Vashe Sarvam. Say it. Pranasyedam Vashe Sarvam. Pranasyedam Vashe Sarvam. So let's shut our eyes, and the seat of the Atma in our heart. Put the right hand at the center of the chest, left palm over it. Behind where you're touching, just bring your image of grace. It could even be the sun or any being you believe in. And as you see this being in your heart, just to know that this being as prana is established in every atom, every cell, as the inner controller, the antaryami. And from inside, this being is controlling everything to work out your highest good and the highest good of all. So actually think of something that you may be a little anxious about and offer it to the light of this mantra as we chant it. Pranasyedam Vashe Sarvam. Vash is control, Sarvam is all. Pranasyedam Vashe Sarvam. 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 Vashe Sarvam. Vashe Sarvam. Vashe Sarvam. Now just quietly, just these two words, Vashe Sarvam, control over everything. You know what they represent. So actually think of what you're worried about and feel the light of these words as you say them soundlessly. Vashe Sarvam. This one who's controlling everything, whether I call it Krishna, Mother, the Sun, higher intelligence, everything is being controlled by this one who knows what he's doing, she's doing. So 6 more breaths, smiling in the heart with Vashe Sarvam, and dropping the anxiety at the feet or into the lap of that one. And then slowly open your eyes. So it's beautiful to use Vedic mantras. Divya, do you need a chair? Because we can get you one from the... Okay. So these Vedic mantras in the Sanskrit language, it has a very different kind of power. For example, if I just say, you control everything, it's good. But if I just use these 2 words like Vashe Sarvam, and if I've practiced it enough so that it's made inroads into my nervous system. Whenever I'm tense and I just say these two words, immediately something settles in us. Now says, forget as entirely as possible what you do not want to be. Our problem is, if we have a weakness in us, we keep reminding ourselves, I'm like this, I'm like that, I'm bad, I'm terrible. But whatever you think of and you feed, you manifest more. So Mother's saying that forget as entirely as possible what you do not want to be. Whatever may be the past, whatever may be the faults committed, whatever the ignorance in which one might have lived, one carries deep within oneself the supreme purity which can translate itself into a wonderful realization. The whole point is to think of that, to concentrate on that and not be concerned with all the difficulties and obstacles and hindrances. So what is Mother saying? That man is such a spectrum of different things. He's like a cross between the animal and the God, right? In Savitri that said that man is half animal, half God. And if he keeps concentrating on the animal part of himself, that will grow. But instead of that, concentrate on the God part of yourself. Keep reminding yourself that I have this divinity in me. And I have this alchemist in me which is capable of changing everything. So, whenever you remember a fault in yourself, don't focus on it too much. Offer it to God, offer it to Mother and move on.